Hi, Duke.
I was strutting my stuff on the catwalk. Why do they call it a catwalk? Why can't it be a dog walk?
Okay, we can call it a dog walk
I was
today.
going like this. I was strutting my stuff.
You were really strutting.
Yep, and I was having a good time.
What do you think
I
of
am
the carrot?
so cute.
You could not be any cuter.
I know. What's this?
But, oh, sorry.
Oh, now I got it.
Oh, no.
Okay, now I got to do this.
Well, you do a lot of stuff.
I got a lot of things to do.
You're kind of busy.
Oh, see, now I'm gonna strut my stuff again. See, this is what I was
Oh,
doing. Look at, see? Oh, what a beautiful picture. Yep, strutting my stuff on the catwalk. So, you think I'll find a home?
Yes, because you're so cute.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, now I do this, and then I do that.
And you're extremely snuggly.
I love to cuddle.
Uh-huh.
It is my favorite thing to do in the world.
I know.
And then I love to play and chew on carrots.
Really?
You know that real carrots are healthy for dogs.
Yes, well, you can have a real carrot too if you'd like.
Oh, that's fun. Does it taste like this?
Not exactly.
Oh, what's this? I think this is called a tag.
Oh.
Where's this made?
I'm sorry, I leave the tags on the toys.
I think it's made in China.
Oh, probably.
Do they have carrots in China?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, well, we better go.
We'll see you later.
Okay, can you look one more time?
No. Okay.